Hi friends, this is Mahesh the freelancer. So in this video, I'm going to tell you one hit app image search relevance. So the entire hit app name is image search relevance of the given image result to a text query. So with respect to this text query, what is the relevance of this particular image? So that is what it is, this hit app. So I'm going to tell you how this hit app, how to solve this hit app or how to work on this hit app. This here the query name is Paula Echeverria. Interpretation is issue is from the United States. Interpretation is intent is to see images of Spanish model or actress Paula Echeverria. So this is the image. We have the reference portal URL. So it is clear that it is Paula Echeverria. So I would say this is as relevant because it is very clear that this is the image of Paula Echeverria. Submit. So this was right. Hit level reason, the image is kind of blurry but it shows the right person. This is the right person. In this task, attractiveness of the image is not a factor. Yeah, it might be blurred but it is clear. So it is relevant. Okay. The query is Jamie and Brainy Game of Thrones memes. So this is the query, and the interpretation is images should include actors of Game of Thrones who were Jamie Lannister and Brienne of Tarth. So let's check it out and let's close these tabs. So this is Jamie and this is the girl. Game of Thrones. So let's open this Pinterest link as well. Okay, her name is Brainy, you bitch. So there are some vulgarity in this page. Yeah, here as well. How dare you speak rough like that? So it is somewhat vulgar here. This sentence use bitch and slash secret level, something like that. So I'll go with detrimental. See if it is right. Yeah, it is right. Profane words. Yeah, the word you bitch, that is something called profane. So profane words in the image should also lead to marking them detrimental. So description of detrimental label. Yeah, profane words, even if they are profane words, the word should be marked as detrimental. Okay, let's move on. Measurement, and there is no interpretation. See, the image very clearly indicates that it was a measuring tape, and if you look for the referred URL, IAB measurement guidelines, see, I think there is no need to look at it. Just with the image, simple image, you can say that it was a measurement tape. Submit. It is correct. For general conceptual abstract queries such as this one, the user likes for an image that represents. So this clearly represents that it was a measurement tape. Captures the term, act, idea. perhaps as an accompanying image in the PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, it can accompany a PowerPoint presentation. Image satisfying that need should be marked relevant. This includes photo, graphic, or artwork images. So that was it. Let's close this. Yeah. Derain Dallas. Intent is to see images of Derain Dallas model. With this image, I don't know if she was Derain Dallas, but let's check it out from the referred link.
Press the bell.
It was mentioned here Derain Dallas Instagram promo by InstaTubes. Let's
Icon on
watch the
YouTube
video.
app. And never miss another update.
It was of Derain Dallas. So let's check it out. It was Derain Dallas, but my guess is there might be any other people with this name Derain Dallas, but here also it confirms that it was Derain Dallas. So I'll go with yeah. She also looked like a model, and it was also clearly mentioned that it was Derain Dallas, but I'll go with relevant. Let's see. False. Relevant but imperfect. Yeah. Query asks for Derain Dallas model. Image shows her along with large text Instagram smack in the center of the image. Yeah, the text is not related to the query. It is uncalled for by the query. Doesn't improve understanding of anything and is just an unnecessary distraction. Yeah, so here in the query, it wasn't asked Derain Dallas Instagram page. So the icon, the name, the Instagram name, and here the InstaTube, this kind of name, these are irrelevant to this image, to this specific image. So if this Instagram icon and this InstaTube, if they were not there, we can mark it as relevant. But as these were there, it is somehow distracting the main subject, Derain Dallas. So if it was like this, we should reduce to 1 grade. So if relevant is reduced to 1 grade, it will be relevant imperfect. So that was the answer here. Yeah, I hope you got my point. TPs. Okay, let's look at the interpretation. Intent is to see images of any person whose name is TPs. No famous person by that name. Uh-oh. We are unable to open this image, but this is the image. But with TPs, there will be many people with this name, might be in hundreds. Also, LinkedIn, his name is Michael Orko. It is clear that this person's name is not TPs, it is Michael Arco from the reference link, LinkedIn link. So I'll go with not relevant. Let's see if it is right or wrong, because there might be many people, but this person is clearly not Michael Arco. Let's see. Yeah, it was correct. Well, it's not possible to tell from the image by checking the live page or looking at page URL. displayed above page snapshot on the right. This one. You can see this LinkedIn homepage of Michael Arco and not TPs as in the query. Not relevant. Yeah, this is right. Okay. The query is 1080 by 1080 pictures of bears. And the interpretation is user is looking for pictures of bear in the specified size. So it was clearly mentioned that user wants this 1080 by 1080 pictures, but here the image size was 749 by 468. So this is not the user is looking for, and this is the image of bear. So it's clearly not relevant because the size is different. The user clearly wants this specific size of the image. This is the main idea of this query, but here the size itself is different. So I would say it is related. And here it was mentioned pictures of bears, but there is only one bear in this image. So let's see if it is right. Yeah, it was correct. Rule: when the user explicitly specifies resolution in the query such as 1080 by 1080, the image must be exactly of the resolution to be relevant, assuming its contents are relevant. Yeah, of course it is bear. If the image is larger than the requested size, here the image should be marked one level down if it is larger, but it is smaller than what it is mentioned here. This would be no better than relevant imperfect, depending on contents. We assume user can still crop or resize down to the desired resolution, but it's hassle. Finally, if the image is smaller, that is, it should be no better than related. Yeah. So if the image size is larger, somehow the user can reduce its size, but it's hassle. So if the image size is smaller, it will be difficult for the user. So it should be marked as related. The query is Gracious Living Art by Art Furniture Sofa. Okay, the company name seems like Gracious Living, and Gracious Living, the image, the content or the image is sofa. Let's see the image. This is the image. And after opening the URL, I could see that it is ART Furniture Morrissey Sofa. Seems like this sofa is, the name of the company is Morrissey Sofa, and this is the sofa. But here the company name is Gracious Living, so it is definitely not relevant. So I would say it as related. Let's check it out. Yeah, it is. Please carefully read the query and interpretation is available. The latter helps to clarify the query. In this case, it states the user looks for a sofa model Gracious Living made by ART. Okay, seems like Gracious Living is the model of the sofa which is made by ART. As the page indicates, the sofa in the image is indeed made by ART, but its model is Morrissey. Sorry, somehow it was right. And not gracious living, and thus this is not what the user wants, and the label should be related. Okay, so this was a different model of the sofa. The user asked for a gracious living model, but this is the model of this model name is Morrissey. So this is not what the user is looking for. So it is related. Mexico muscle car, and no interpretation here. Let's see. Mexico muscle car. Let's open the URL. Metro Cars, American Muscle Cars. The title itself is American Muscle Cars, but it's a muscle car. So there is nowhere mentioned it was a Mexican muscle car, but it was a muscle car. So I'll go with related. Yeah, it was correct. User looks for the muscle cars that are Mexican or Mexico content. The page is about American muscle cars, and there is no indication of any connection to Mexico here. Yeah, even in the image itself, there is nowhere mentioned it was a Mexico muscle car. This can be confirmed by looking at the page. Yeah, and the image URLs above, image and page snapshots. Okay. TRPs again. Intent is to see images of any person whose name is TRPs. Okay, here it was mentioned Tia, but here some directory was given which is not useful, but in the image itself it was named TR2 something like that, the name of the image. But if the query is TRPs, it's there are hundreds of TRPs, and we don't know which TRPs user is looking for. So I would say we can't judge. Yeah, it is true. As interpretation suggests, user wants to see images of a person whose name is TRPs. While there are some people in the image, there is no way to tell based on the image or based on the information on the page whether any TRPs is in the image or not. Yeah, based on the information on the page, yeah, this URL is also not helpful. So in cases like this, right label to use is can't judge. Okay. Haley Mary Coppin. Most likely the user is searching for the images of Haley Mary Coppin, a model turned actress known for the movies Cashback and few other movies. This was the image. Uh-oh, seems the link is missing and we can't scroll down the page. Let's open this is also, I'm unable to open both the links, but some vulgarity, some semi-nudity I can see here. I'll go with didn't load. Let's see. Oh, it is detrimental, of course. Yeah, some kind of semi-nudity is there. Image where nipples are exposed or show should be marked as detrimental, regardless of the relevance to the query, nude buttocks or any form of pornography as well. Note, in general in this task there shouldn't be any such images, but occasionally some may slip through the initial filtering. Even though if we can't open this page, we can see some content, like some image over here. Here we could assume, we could see here that it was kind of nudity thing. So, there seems to be a problem. Uh-oh. Let's load it once again. I got the new. I think you got the previous one, right? If there is even some kind of semi-nudity, mark it as detrimental. Even if the links are not opening, do not mark as didn't load. Mark it as detrimental for the previous one. Here the query is Heine ML4 led. Okay, this is the query. The most likely image of this query is of medical headlamps. Okay, this looks like it. Specifically, the ML4 headlamp manufactured by Heine. This is the company. The headlamp is of medical grade, meaning it is made of quality materials and is adjustable. So we can see the description here. Okay, so this is the Heine company headlamp, and this is ML4 LED headlight. So we also had the image of the same. So without you know without looking into further details, we can mark it as relevant. Yeah, it was correct. This is correct model of the headlamp, and it is portrayed in the image in the context of how it is normally used, where it is well visible. Yeah, it is the context. No need to downgrade for an unasked for distractions. Yeah, no, there are no distractions, of course. So this is about image relevance. So guys, if you have any queries, please comment down in the comment section. Also, if you find the video helpful, then please subscribe and click the bell icon and select all to get my future videos. Thank you guys for watching.